In 2023, the world watched Gaza burn. But behind the images of destruction, something even more powerful was being tested: artificial intelligence as a weapon of war. In a matter of days, thousands of people were marked, tracked, and targeted, not by humans, but by machines. This wasn't just another conflict. It was a prototype. And what started there is now going global. Long before most nations adopted military AI, Israel had already deployed it on the battlefield. Gaza became the first real-world lab for weaponized algorithms. Systems like Lavender and Gospel weren't just software. They were the silent architects of who lived and who didn't. Lavender was built to identify suspected fighters, using nothing but data. It scanned phone numbers, messages, contact patterns, and behaviors on social media. In just days, it generated over 37,000 names. An Israeli intelligence source described it simply: cold, fast, and impossible to question. Soldiers were given lists. The machine had already decided. This wasn't just automation, it was delegation of lethal power to code. While Lavender selected who to hit, Gospel decided where to look. It collected signals from phone towers, surveillance feeds, Wi-Fi data, and even traffic flow. Then it created heat maps of suspected activity zones, updating in real time. Together, Gospel and Lavender became a self-updating war map. No room for empathy, no room for doubt, only calculations. If you think this is the kind of story more people need to hear, subscribe. This is Zero Kit AI. Other nations were watching. Within months, delegations from India, the UAE, Turkey, and beyond were meeting with Israeli defense firms. The pitch? Tested in combat, proven at scale. Private contractors began marketing AI targeting platforms as military efficiency kits. Not just software, but an entire war logic in a box. Human Rights Watch called it war by probability. The UN demanded transparency. No real answers came. Because when an algorithm makes the final decision, who do you blame? The commander, the coder, or the code itself? The rules of war were not built for this. From Gaza, the model spread fast. Now AI is powering drone swarms in Azerbaijan, facial recognition in Xinjiang, surveillance grids in border zones. The arms race isn't about tanks or nukes anymore. It's about data access, computational power, and who controls the next update. Gaza was the beginning. But the real question is, what happens when AI doesn't just assist war, it decides who wins it? Don't miss episode 3, where we explore the power struggle that's already unfolding. Zero Kit AI, exposing the war inside the code.